batch 31 people log into a drive, take a file and run the code. Guys, I've given the two files. One is your salary one Python file, one is the normal data files. सृष्टि आपकी मशीन लर्निंग की बुक बताइए ना, आप लिखते हो। हाँ। Who deleted now? Guys, you have to download, you don't have to delete. Who has done this? I deleted someone else. If I can you take it. Batch 31, have you received the file? Anisha, Ragini, have you taken data from the drive?
Yes, sir.
Guys, run the code. Okay. I'm just making you run the code so that you should not get any error. Just cross check, are you getting error? Just inform me. Anyone have charger? Anisha, have you received?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And tomorrow timings for you will be a slight change. You have to come by 11. For Thursday also and for Friday also, both days.
Okay, sir.
So Kiran, try to come offline now. Okay.
Yes, sir. Tomorrow I will.
So guys, we have done basic of linear regression, a basic study. Okay. I'll open a page for you. 1 second. Be relaxation. Take your time. 5 plus 6. अच्छा ठीक है मैं बैठ जाऊँ He's just doing a small brush up for you. So last time we have done something known as a regression. So when I say linear regression is used to find the relation between x and y. Okay. X means independent, y means dependent. Every row in this data has to be independent. Okay. So when I say income increases, saving also increase. So any change in x will reflect in y. This indicates we have some type of relation. Technical word name of relation is called as correlation. What is the range of correlation, guys? -1 to +1. We'll do in the maths also, guys. I've just taken a small scenario for you. Okay. So here we say we have a relation, scatter plot relation, then we have correlation matrix. Scatter plot only give us the direction, whether we have positive relation or we have negative relation. Positive relation means any change in x will change in y in upward direction, like income and saving. Negative relation means more the number of family members, less the save. That is called your negative relation. Okay. So scatter plot only give you the direction. If you need in terms of percentage, we use correlation matrix. We'll use this formula, guys, later when we take a small example. Any value in a matrix is called correlation coefficient. If the numbers is more than 0.7, we call as strong relation. Clear? Anything you want to discuss with me, guys, now? Clear, we have done. Okay. Guys, we have not done R-square, we have not done any equations. Okay. So we confirm by correlation whether we have relation or not. After confirmation, our main job is to find this equation, which is beta naught plus beta 1 x1 plus e. This is your linear regression equation. Understand this, guys? This value is called as intercept, or we can say this value is called as slope. X means independent, Y means dependent. E stands for error. Is write this data for simple linear regression. Guys, we are solving a small example. I've taken a very small data to avoid the calculation time. Okay, we'll do in software, answer will remain same. Write this data. Online students, I'm sharing a screen once again. Able to see the screen? Kiran, Anisha, Ragini.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here I have defined for you what is X and Y. Okay, we have to predict the quantity demand of a product as price change. Normally what happens in India, if the price of the product is less, okay, we demands more for this. So here we have X and Y. To check a relation between them, we check correlation. First, we need to confirm whether they have relation or not. So we have scatter plot and we have correlation matrix. Can you make a scatter plot of this, guys? And then you tell me they have what type of pattern they have. Make. So are you getting this type of shape for yourself? Kiran, Anisha, Ragini.
Yes, sir.
Just make a scatter plot of this point.
Okay.
Like this is the coordination used to make a plot. I believe you know how to make a scatter plot. We have done in school standard also. So do we have relation positive or negative? Negative. From the scatter plot, can you tell me how much percent relation we have? Can we say from the scatter plot? No. What we required, guys, at the time now? Correlation matrix. So to do a correlation matrix, we have a certain formulas. Let me erase this part, guys. One second, let me give you the formulas, guys. Meanwhile, compute mean of X, mean of Y. Guys, compute mean of X and mean of Y. Now you have to make a data the way we have to work in a structure, guys. Okay. Follow my step, become easy for you to solve without any massiveness in the book. So you have mean. What is the value for mean of X? Mean of Y? Do each value minus mean, guys. Each value, X value minus mean value. Means 2 minus 5 3 minus 5, 4 minus 5, do like this way. One second, I'm just trying to make the structure proper. Right, this is the formula for R square, guys. You can write hashtag correlation formulas. This formula is for correlation. Guys, this is small r. Okay. So you have to compute each value minus mean. So your x bar value is 5. What is the y bar value? 27. Can you subtract each value is xi minus x bar? Each yi minus y bar, do same way, guys. Done with the formula, guys. Keep solving. You'll be getting this number. Everyone doing on pen paper or doing on Excel? No, I just want to confirm. So I can also do an Excel for you. I can show you.
Pen paper.
Pen paper, okay. Just do each xi minus x bar and cross check, you should get same number. So this is xi minus x bar. Notation is like this way. R say, what is the formula for R? Correct? Into or plus? So guys, we just find this number, which I'm doing a blue color for you. This blue color also similar to this blue color. This is your xi minus x bar. Can you multiply those both, guys? This is your xi minus x bar. This is your y minus y bar. And this is the multiplication of both. You just have to do sum. Tell me what is the sum you have. How much? Minus 139. Okay. Now you have done xi minus x bar. Do square of this. So minus 3 will become 9, 4, 1, 1, 4, 9. So your numerator you find minus 139. Now we are finding denominator, guys, one by one. So xi minus x bar already you have done. You just have to do the square of each number and do a sum. What is the sum of this? Kiran, you take your time. Anisha, Ragini, if you want me to repeat.
Okay, sir. No, sir, I learned.
Can you solve this? Okay, so some people may not be comfortable in Excel. Some people are, yes. It depends upon you. Either do on pen paper or do on Excel. It is your opinion. Done, everyone. Guys, getting confusion, do on pen paper. Shantanu, do on pen paper. Take your time, it's okay. So, Vallabh, Anisha, Ragini, done for you, or should I repeat?
So,
How much is, what is the value you're getting, Ragini?
sir, I'm getting same value, 0.9817.
Negative or positive?
Negative.
Negative. So can I say, if I make this in terms of matrix point of view, guys, This be on screen. Okay. This number we got. Scroll down over here. So we found saved. We have number called price. And here we have price. I'm just making a matrix. And here we have quantity versus quantity versus price. Here also a price. Now we find relation between two columns, X and Y, price and quantity. Where they interact? Can I say over here? Minus. Agree. Quantity from column wise, row wise, price. Same way, if I look at this way, can I say quantity row wise and column price column wise? What should the number comes over here? So can we say here we have negative, stronger, weak? Read the theory. Open your book, guys. Open your book and cross check. So 0.98 is called what? First, you tell me. Open correlation matrix and read the theory. उसके बाद कुछ numbers लिखे हैं आपने. तो are we getting b into -1 to +1? आपने एक मैट्रिक्स लिखा होगा ना, उसके बाद रीड करो. मैट्रिक्स ड्रॉ किया है. Did I make you draw the matrix now? हाँ. Below that interpretation is what? Read that. What is correlation coefficient? So can we call this number 0.98 is correlation coefficient? Okay. Clear. Next. Can you read the next one? 1%. Rahul. So if I ignore the minus sign, because we don't have to look at the sign, we just have to look at the number. So 0.9 is greater than 0.7. Online students, can we call it as strong? If I multiply by 100, how much percentage become? 98% strong. Positive or negative? Negative. So can we say we have 98% strong negative relationship, a relation between price and quantity? Right interpretation. Got the point how we read, guys? Easy. Please write interpretation. This is called interpretation for you. Anisha, Ragini, Kiran, clear for this? Or want me to repeat? I'll repeat for you.
No, sir, clear.
You have to draw a matrix. This matrix is correlation matrix. Guys, make your note systematic. First, you make scatter plot. Then second step, you have done correlation matrix. After that, we'll move to third step also. Done, guys. We'll move forward. Okay. Now, if you remember, here we have quantity row wise. Here also we have quantity. Where they interact at this point? Can I say we just multiplying two column and checking? If you put this the number, x is also quantity, y is also quantity. So when you multiply two columns and compute r square, do for one row, guys. What is xi minus x bar? We will do for quantity. Y minus y bar is how much? Y minus y bar. Total sum is how much? 27. Y minus y bar total. I'll repeat my question. Yi minus y bar. You done this one? Second. Same way, you also take yi minus y bar 2 times. You multiply same column 2 times. Just take a square. What is the number you have? What happened now? Same column you are multiplying. And again, what the bottom you have? Y minus y bar square is how much? What should we answer? 1. So when you multiply same column, okay, you will get answer as 1. Till you're clear how we get this one now clear for you. Now same price from here and price from here. What should be value come as? 1. Make this matrix full. Always your diagonal element has to be 1. Next, guys, moving to next responsibility. After this, our main job. So here we found there is a relation. So we get confidence. Yes, they have relation. Now, after having a relation, guys, can I say we have to go for prediction? Okay. To do a prediction, what we required? We require this equation. I'll teach you what is E and how we compute. Our main responsibility is to compute. Can I say we have X and Y present, guys? X and Y you have. So we just have to compute beta naught and we have to compute beta. Okay. Let me write the formula, guys, for you. Guys, this is a theoretical formula made with a scientist. Okay. Solve this. Already, guys, we have solved the number numerator and denominator. You just have to write. What is xi minus x bar into yi minus y bar? The numerator of. So you write the formula first. Guys, what is the value for numerator over here? Numerator is how much? Minus 139. 1 second. Denominator. Solve this how much? Minus 4 point. Can you put over here? What is the mean? 27. X bar 5. Solve this. Kiran, Ragini, are you getting the same answer?
Yes, I'm solving right now. 1 second.
Okay, I'll wait. Done, guys. Kiran, done for you, or should I wait? Nisha, Ragini.
Yes, sir.
Done. Okay. So guys, when we write the equation y is equal to beta naught plus beta 1 x, they are called as equation of linear regression. Intercept and slope. Beta naught is called as intercept. Beta 1 is called as slope. So guys, this both are nothing but coefficient. Guys, they are equation of which one? Linear. So we call their coefficient of linear regression. Clear. So here we have some number. This is the value for your beta naught, and this is the value for your beta. Clear. Easy, guys. Now question comes, the number which I have found beta naught and beta 1. How accurate this number are? How much accuracy? If this number is accurate, I can predict accurate. If number is wrong, prediction will be wrong. So we need to check the accuracy. To check accuracy, we use R-square. Clear? So if you have written a theory, can you read the theory anyone for R-square? I make you write. Is a stats means there is a maths which help us to measure the relation, or which is the measure of how close a data fit the line. Okay. What is the threshold for R square? If R square ranges between 0 to 100, that's the range of data. What is the range of correlation? -1 to +1. Threshold for R square, if R square value is greater than or equal, 70% indicates good model. Guys, what is the meaning of model means? Equation. You cannot say equation, guys. You have to say this beta not beta one value. Then when you go for interview, they ask for equation. So you will write this notation. Beta not beta one. In interview, they ask you for model. You have to write this with number. Model means number. Equation means notation. When they say model equation, you have to write second one. First one is equation. Second one is model. Equation of model. Now, if any value higher the R square, better the model fit your data. So we need R square value more than 70 always. If it is less than 70, we call it as bad model. Clear? Now this number is used to check the performance. So let's compute R square now. Okay. R square formula. Let me write, guys. Okay. SSR divided by TSS. If you remember, we have done ANOVA table. TSS total sum of square. Guys, this is sum of squares of regressor. Do you want me to write full form? Write this one, the formula for R square. Now, guys, I'll move for SSR, how we calculate. Okay. TSS means total sum of square, which is nothing but what is the value for this? You have already calculated. Y minus Y bar the whole square sum. Already you have solved this. X I minus x bar square. Just multiply with beta. How much? Divide this, you'll get R square value. 690 divided by 716. Point. So can I say if multiply by 100, how much percent? 96% is more than 70. Good or bad? We say the model is good fit to data of 96% accuracy. With the accuracy of 96%. So how much accurate these two numbers are, guys? Beta not beta, how much accurate? 96%. Clear? Anisha, Ragini, Kiran.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now moving forward, guys. If you remember, we done ANOVA table. Is used for mean comparison more than 2. Okay. Here let's take. Here we have SSR. We know TSS. Okay. Now, if I say in ANOVA, we have to frame some hypothesis, guys. Here what we are finding. What we are finding? That is my question. Value equation. My question is why we use linear regression. And logically, if you are not feeling well, based on certain assumption, doctor gave you medicines. I thought you have this one. Then he do a test just to confirm. So ANOVA is to confirm whether they have relation or they have no relation. Clear? Can you write this? Draw this table. What is total, guys? Total sum of square is how much? 716. For aggressor, can you find the difference? Total, how many rows we have? 6 minus 1, 5. Total, how many columns we have? 2 minus 1. Can you find the difference, guys? 26 हम get it. अब decimal पे करो ना. I've taken random number. It's okay. Small change. I believe you remember this one. How much is the FCAL? 106. Some round of decimal may be changed, guys. I agree. At this number. How much alpha we take if it is not given by default? 5%. Okay. I'll go over here. What is the degree of freedom? For 1 comma, error is how much? 4. What is the value? 7.70. Can you write F table? Present 1 comma 4 and 4 for error. Yes. 7.709. This will be your F table value. So what will be a conclusion, guys? We reject H naught and conclude that there is a correlation or linear relation between price and quantity. Easy. Anywhere you found difficult to understand, guys, please ask. Kiran, Ragini, Anisha, any difficulties over here?
Yes, sir.
Do you want me to repeat?
No, sir.
Guys, we have done on pen paper. It took approximate 45 minutes. I do in software, it will take 2 minutes. Also in software, you can compare your numbers. Okay. This is on screen. This is the data we have. Guys, I'm doing in Excel. We can do in Python also. We can do it any software. Okay. I already have data analysis. First step, we compute correlation. How much percent we get? Same. Just cross check the number. Positive or negative? Negative. I'll go to regression. How much is the R square we get? Anyone? Cross check in terms of percentage, guys. Similar. What is your beta naught value? What is your beta naught? Exactly same, guys. This is your coefficient number. Intercept and beta naught value are the coefficient numbers. So you have to take this one. Any doubts? Same thing software give you, guys. Now if you look at the ANOVA table, cross check the numbers of ANOVA table. Close to same. Exactly match with your calculations. The F calculated value is 106. If you remember, in software, you get P value. We don't get a stable value. Okay. So now can you look at the P value of this number? Look at the P value, guys, over here. Less than alpha or greater than alpha? So if the P value is less than alpha, what we do? We reject H naught. So guys, if you see, we look P value of price because our objective is to find price have relation or not. So we look at the P value of price. If the P value of the price is less than alpha, we reject H naught. Clear? Any question? All the values, all the numbers get matched. This table, okay. Either you make decision from your point number 1, or you make decision from FCal. This is the F P value. Same number do we have over here? I just make you read. Either read from your, it's for overall level, or read for one variable. Here we have only one X. We'll come to the data complexity. The first you're learning the concept. Once confidence of concept clear, then we go for complex. How it works. Till you're clear. Now, guys, can we say we first compute correlation, which help us to confirm whether we have relation or not? So once we have a relation, we find the model which help us to predict. To find the accuracy, we use R-square. The next question comes, we have to predict, guys, if you remember. Okay, what is the equation? Can I say this is the equation we have found? Y is equal to beta naught minus beta 1 x. What is the first value of x, guys? Can you give me the number, please? Right over here, prediction. Equation y is equal to 51.82 minus 4.96 into x1. What is the first value of x, guys? Tell me what is the answer we get? Eight nine. 41.9. Can we round off to 42? If I ignore decimal. The way we predict for row number 1, can we predict for row number 2? Can you do for second row? What is the x? How much? 37. Clear. That is called as a prediction. But the point how we predict is concept of prediction clear. Any question can ask. So I'll do over here in Excel for you. 1 second. Guys, I'm doing in Excel. A small decimal may vary. Okay. The first one I'm getting is 61. Beta naught. $42. Are you getting the same prediction, guys? Prediction clear? How we get prediction? Now we need to find error. If you remember in the equation, we have y is equal to beta naught plus beta 1 plus e. E stands for error. Error means what is the actual value? What is the predicted? 42. This becomes error for you. Compute error, guys. And give me sums of error. This is one of the machine learning algorithms. This is the base algorithm. In future, this base is used for advanced machine learning like boosting. Everywhere we use similar types of concept. Just small modification to equation. Multiple one for them. You work in designs of experiment. Okay. Guys, compute sum of error, you will get 0. So actual demand was 44. What our model say? It has to be 42. Actual demand is 23. What our model say? No, demand has to be 22. Actual demand is 10. What model say? No, demand has to be 12 for you. So at row level, there will be a small difference possible. But at overall level, there will be no difference. If you do sum of error, will always come as 0 for you. Clear? Any question, any doubt? Anisha, Ragini?
Will you please repeat again about 0?
I'm saying at row level, there can be difference in error. But at overall level, there will be no difference. Guys, flowchart clear? What is the step number 1 we computed? Correlation. In correlation, we do scatter plot. For percentage, we do matrix. Second steps, we compute model. Third step, we compute R square. Fourth step, to confirm whether they have relation or not, we use ANOVA. Fifth step, we go for prediction. It's a 5-step process for you. From correlation, it's just a confirmation whether we have or not. To have a clear proof, in written, we go for ANOVA. It's a hypothesis testing. So testing give you confirmation. Exact. Yes, we have. Clear, guys. Any question, any doubt, can ask, please.
So,
Some I have shown you. Always your error will be 0. If your error is not 0, can I say what data say and what model say? There is a difference. But at overall level, no difference. So model prediction for row-wise difference is present. But for overall level, no difference. So what model do and what human being do is similar pattern. It's not a part of your syllabus. Okay? I just have a habit of doing this. We compute for cross-checking. If you do not cross-check, every time you will get 0 only. So every time. Then only the linear regression works for you. Clear? All 5 steps clear for you. Any doubt in any steps? You have done on pen paper. I have shown in software for you in Excel. We can same do in Python. We can do in R. We can do in any platform. The process of working will remain same. ANOVA table, data analysis. Let's take a break of 10 minutes. After that, we further continue in Python now. Guys, log into a drive, download the code, already you have done, run the file. I will start the explanation. Same file. Today I have told it, no? Today I have done. Online students. Online students, shall I start? Okay, then.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So guys, point number 1. What type of data we required for linear regression? Numerical. We required data type has to be numbers. We needed numbers because here in the calculation we required mean calculation. So that's the reason data has to be numbers. Okay. Read the objective, guys. This one. Apply the simple linear regression model for a data set of salary. Decide whether there is a significant relation between the variables in the linear regression model of a data set salary. So we have to find a linear relation that they have or not. With alpha of how much percent? 5%. I believe now you are aware of pandas, NumPy, Seaborn, Matplot. These 4 packages mostly we have done in the Python also. And repeat, Seaborn and Matplot is used for data visualization. Matplot is a pandas and NumPy. Pandas works on data analysis. NumPy works for calculation, or we call scientific calculations. There's another package, guys, called stats model. So in the year we have 2 options. Either go with stats model or go with sklearn. Both are used for machine learning. sklearn is purely for machine learning. You can search in Google also. sklearn. It is purely for machine learning. Which task, guys, we are doing? Regression task. So yes, scikit-learn is used for machine learning in Python. Okay, if I add one more, 1 second. Stats model. Read this. Stats model is a Python module that provides classes function for estimation of many different statistical methods. In the stats model, you can do your t-test, chi-square test, and machine learning also. In sklearn, you will only do machine learning. Clear? So, 2 options are there. You can use any one. It's your opinion. I'm using stats model in the first scenario. Later, I keep on adding the levels for you. I'll make sklearn more. I import data of new head. Now, looking at this, tell me what is X, what is Y. Can I say as experience increases, salary increase? Experience decreases, salary also decrease. So guys, I have taken the year we have salary as Y, year of experience as X. Okay. Yes, okay. Before moving forward, just want to update with you one point. In your curriculum, in your academic, you have a data set to solve. After every topic, there will be assessment for you. Make sure any point you don't understand, you stop me and ask me. Point number 1. Second, data set for solving of your LMS will be very difficult in the class. You will find hard to understand. So what I will do is like first topic, I add 4 concepts. Second example, 6 concepts. I keep on adding one concept. So it becomes clear for you. Once some case study, 3-4 case study done, it becomes easy for you to understand. Then you can take any data of LMS or Google or anywhere from the world, you will be able to solve. Okay. So your data set of LMS is difficult. That's why I'm taking this type of case study. Okay, everyone. Kiran, Ragini, it will be fine for you. Anisha.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Our main objective is to understand the concept and to implement. It'll make you understand on simple data, in general data. Then later we will go for very difficult data also. So here our Y variable is salary and X variable is year of experience. We check tail and head also. Now we check info just to verify whether the data is number or category. How many rows we have? Total columns. Data type for year of experience. Both are float. Can we call float are also one type of numbers only? So both data are numbers. I do univariate analysis. Univariate means doing analysis of one variable at a time. If you see year of experience, what is the maximum experience, guys? 10, minimum 1 year. Do we have data of zero experience? Zero experience means fresher. So here data does not have fresher data. We just have experienced people data. Minimum salary, 37,000. Maximum, 1,22,000.
1,22,000.
Okay. Next, we do EDA part, guys. In EDA, missing values, outlier comes to the row. Let's identify outlier, do we have or not? To identify outlier, what we use? Box plot. SN stand for Seaborn. Function name, box plot. Y variable is your year of experience. Data taken as new. Clear? Do we have outliers, guys? Same thing I check for salary. Do we have outliers? So we don't have any outliers in the data. Next, moving forward for missing values. New is my data. Dot is means check. Is for check. NA means checking, missing data. Then I want to do sum. For every data, I'm checking missing we have or not. In year of experience, missing is 0. We don't have. Salary, missing is 0. We don't have. It's a sum of count. If we have 3 row missing, we'll give you +1 +1. Count 3 rows and give you sum. So in our data, we don't have outliers also, and we don't have missing values also. Clear, guys? Okay. There is one more concept will come into the picture called as data partition. Okay. I'll explain this concept and then we'll further move forward. On screen, we'll take 10 to 15 minutes for this. If you're on screen, it will take 10 minutes. Let's say we have data. Okay. This is the data which we have. Can you see the name? Original data I've kept somewhere. How many customers data, guys, I have? 10. And loan status is Y. तो बाकी remaining क्या है हमारे लिए? X. Clear? Any question, any doubts you have, can ask, please.
Sir, while running, I'm getting error like.
Okay, not an issue. Listen the theory concept. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Once the theory done, I'll cross check for you. Data clear, guys? I've just taken original data. For how many customers data we have? 10 customers. Loan status is Y. Y means dependent. X means तो कितने independent है? तो हमने dependent one. So let's say I selected Vallabh. So he will do analysis for us. So Vallabh, this is the data. Your job is to pick up randomly. This is called simple random sampling. You have to randomly pick up 7 rows. Can you pick up for me? 1. Let me do a color for you. So you're picking 1, 5, 8, 2, 4, 1 more. Till you clear, guys? These are the number of rows picked up by Vallabh. I'm writing this separate. Till you clear? Online students, any question? Now remaining rows. Huh? It's example I've taken. You think it's Y and X. Think like this way. Tomorrow you will have to work on classification also. Till you clear, guys? So can I say I break data into 2 parts? Out of 10 row, 7 row come in 1 bucket. How much percent? And how much is the second bucket? So guys, here we say we break this data into 2 parts. First part of how much percent data? Second part have the name we given to this is train, and the name given to this is ये clear हो गया? Okay, so we have origin data, we break into 2 parts. And how we break, guys? Using anyone have any question can ask. Now guys, loan status is what for me? X independent है या dependent है? Y है, ठीक है? अगर loan status Y है, now what is the data set name? Train. So can we call इसको Y train? Did you agree with us? Can I say age and income both are X for me? Coming from which data? Can we call this as your X train? X train में age भी है और income भी है. Y train में क्या है? Loan status. Now going to test data. What should I call age and income? X test and Y को Y test. Till you clear? Any question on this logic, please ask.
So I have a doubt. जो टेस्ट डेटा 30% है ना, like 379 customer ID and the values, वो कहाँ से आए? like
वल्लभ ने 10 रो में से 7 रोज रैंडमली पिकअप किए.
okay.
जो रो रिमेनिंग है वो मैंने यहाँ पे लिख दिया टेस्ट में.
Okay, sir.
Guys, any question can ask, please. I'm coming to an end. I'll repeat the process. We have original data. Okay. From original data, Vallabh pick up 7 rows. That data I call as train data. Remaining row, which Vallabh have not picked up, I've written as test data. ट्रेडिशनल डेटा में जो y है, y क्या था? लोन स्टेटस. Now when I go to train data, that loan status will call as y train. So this y train means loan status coming from which data set? Train data set. If I say y test, means y coming from test data set. Clear? Always y. Clear? Any question? Okay. Now Vallabh is today 8 is a June of 8 we have. Tomorrow if Vallabh come to the office, again he can pick up any different row size. It may possible he may pick up third in the train. Possible, na? He can pick up 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Can I say data get changed? So every time when Vallabh come every day and run the code, our data will keep on changing. I don't want to change data. I want to fix data. So can I say the first time Vallabh pick up which row, guys? 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, and 10. So if I fix this row somewhere, every time if I call, can I get this row will come for me? For example, when you travel from A place to B place by using an Indian Railway, if you remember, we have train number and we have bogie numbers. If I call a specific bogie people, that people will come. एक ट्रेन होती है इंडियन गवर्नमेंट में, we travel. This is your train engine. This is the small bogies. Inside will people sit, guys. If I say bogie number S1 come, who will come? S1 will come or S2, S3 will come? These people will come. In this people, there are 10 students sitting. Who will come? All 10. Same way, can I call, can I fix this? Is my people only? Can I store this in one bogie number? That is called as random state. So random state is a location, or simple way, random state is a box. वो box में कितने row numbers होंगे? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 8, 10. What is the box number? 1, 2, 3. If tomorrow I need to call these people, can I say people of 1, 2, 3 can come? Got the point? So random state is used for fixing. Any question? And let's see how it works in Python. On screen, if I say new, okay, I say take as X. So guys, what will happen X? Can I say year of experience is X for us? If I take Y, what I will have in Y? This is clear. From sklearn, main package, sub package name, model selection. I want to import function, train, test, split. We are splitting only now. I need to split train and test. First, I given value of X, second, Y. What is the train size, guys? If 70% go in the train, how much remains? 30%. 30 will go in test one, ना? अगर 70 train में हो गए तो remaining कहाँ जाएंगे? Test में. चलिए clear. Any question anyone have? Please ask. तो question है रागिनी, अनीशा.
Yes, sir.
Write the column name. Clear. Now guys, you have X data. So I will break X into X train and X test, Y train into Y test. ये clear हो गया? Now what we have in X test, can you see? X train में क्या है? Can I say we pick up data randomly? Can you see the row numbers? Can you see data column numbers? Row numbers for Y? Can I say we pick up data randomly? Yes or no? Anyone, please remember this row number. What do you pick up? 19, 21, 24. Let me write over here. 19, 21, 24, 11, 0. Guys, here do I specify anywhere bogey number? No. If I keep on running the code, I'll keep on getting different data. Can you see now data get changed? I get 10, 29, 22. Prior was 19, 21, 24. Again, if I run, what is the number we have? Remember, 10, 29, 22. Again, I run. Again, data gets shuffled. Okay, so we don't want to shuffle data. If I don't want to shuffle, I have to use random state. Random state is used for fixing. What is the bogey number I've written as? 100. It's just a location of a laptop. You can write any number. You can write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You can write any number. Whichever number you specified over here, every time you have to specify same number. If today I specify 100, tomorrow if I change the number, it will change. If I need people of bogey number S1, what should I write? S1 people. Got the point? I run this. What is the number coming? 20, 17, 21, 4. Now guys, if you see, again I will run this code. Remain same. Changes happen. So can I say random state is used to fix the subset? Any question, please ask, guys. We have to use this method in every machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence, everywhere. एक बार आपने लिखा random state 100 और fix हो गया. So what fixing means what? ये जो row numbers है ना 17, 22, 11 वो कहाँ पे जाके fix हो जाएंगे? एक box के अंदर. और वो box का number हमने क्या रखा है? 100. Model change होगा, data change होगा तब change कर सकते हो. When you're working on same data, same model, you want to show your boss same answer. You have to run this one. Today you run, you get answer, you are happy. After 1 year, you open same file. You change the number, data get changed. So we don't want to change data. I want answer today same, after 1 year also same. So we have to fix the data. That's the point we use random state. It's a box number. आप कुछ भी लिखो. एक आप एक box बना रहे हो लैपटॉप के अंदर और उसमें आप data store कर रहे हो. A simple way we call technical word. It's creating a location for you. Location number 100 पे you have all data saved. Clear, online students, or want me to repeat? Ragini.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. Yeah,
So,
we
but
have.
machine learning is little bit difficult for me.
That's why I'm saying, no, come to the class because you have a habit of looking at me and learning.
Okay, sir. Tomorrow is 11, no?
Tomorrow is 11.
Okay, then I will be there.
Okay. It's not a difficult scenario, but main thing is what happened. Sometime I speak, I want you to give any questions. So you are not speaking, it becomes difficult. The classroom people are asking. That's why I say any doubt at single point also. कि why I read this number. ये code क्यों लिखा है? उसके importance क्या है? You ask me, I'll explain. Data partition, you have to use 100 times. I'm teaching you 100 times again. So this will be clear for you. Okay. So you just remember, you have new data. I'll repeat for you. Okay. Where this concept is very important. Dataset name is new. You break into two parts. First part name is train. Second part name is test. In train, how much percent? In test, 30%. How we pick up data? Randomly. Till you're clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now in my new, how many variable we have? Experience. And we have salary. My question to you, do we break data row wise or column wise? Row wise. So यहाँ पे, what is salary, guys? Salary is Y. Here also it is Y, and this is X. So we call this is Y से क्या आ रहा है? Train से क्या आ रहा है? Y. So we call Y train. And experience we call as X train. Now clear, Anisha? Or Kiran, or should I repeat?
No, sir, clear.
Repeat. So
Now in the test, I have salary. What I should call this one? Kiran, in the test data, I have 30% data. I have salary
Right,
column.
sir. Right, sir.
Okay, so what should I call?
Sorry, X or Y?
This is X and Y. How should I read this? In the test data, I'm asking you. I'll repeat again. Okay, first listen, then you can give answer. Here we have train data. Okay, in train data, how many rows I have? How much percent? 70%. In 70%, first column name is salary. Salary is nothing but Y. Y come from which data? Train. So we call this as Y train. Experience come from train, so we call this as X train. Now same way I'm asking you, in the test, salary is Y. What should I call this as?
Y test.
Perfect. And this one?
X test.
Perfect. This concept of splitting data into parts is called data partition. Write in your book. Everyone. What is saying? Function? Really cool. I'll come back to the book. You just write this one. Everyone, guys, write this one. Guys, no need to worry. I will repeat the same topic for you 20 times. Data partition is used everywhere in the world. In machine learning, in deep learning, in artificial intelligence, everywhere we use. Guys, if I'm going very faster, you can inform me. I'll decrease the speed, okay? Kiran, Ragini. Guys, if you're done, I'll move forward. Okay, write as a note over here. Random state is used. Random state is used to fix the selected sample from train. Till you're clear, I'll move forward, guys. Okay, I have taken X train and I have taken Y train. PD stand for, guys, concat means combine. XS1 means column wise. I have train data. I have made a train for you. Can you see, guys, for you? It's just a head of train. So what we have made, I have combined this and I have made something known as train for you. Now clear. मैंने क्या बना लिया, एक train बनाया. Now I will work the modeling part on this. So whatever the modeling required means correlation, okay, means your beta naught, beta 1, R square, P value, everything I check on train. Guys, what is the meaning of model? Your beta naught, beta 1 की जो value होगी, that is called as model. The first step, we check correlation. How many methods we have correlation, guys? 2. Which are 2? X को अलग ब्रेक कर रहे हैं और Y को सेपरेट. तो इसे तो मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है ना, X ट्रेन होगा और एक Y ट्रेन होगा, उसको कंबाइन करके, हाँ, तो आइडियल रिमेन से. First step for correlation. Guys, open your book, theory book. Now, in this case study, you just have to compare. We will do 2 or 3 case study. Don't worry. Okay. First, let's compare how we study the theory, how we have solved the example. SNS stand for Seaborn. I want to make scatter plot. Year of experience and salary. What type of pattern we have? So can we say we have positive relation? Looking at this, can you tell me how much percent we have? To tell in terms of percentage, what we use? Clear? Kiran, can you tell me how to read the correlation matrix? What is the range of correlation, guys? Open the theory, you can say, no? -1 to +1. Okay. Here we are finding relation between salary and year of experience. So where they interact? At this point, 0.97. So how much percent? 97. Positive or negative? Positive. Strong or weak? Strong. So can we say that we have 97% strong positive correlation between salary and year of experience? Guys, same way I make you write the theory. Interpretation. Clear, Anisha? Clear, Agni? Kiran?
Yes, sir.
I'll come. Don't worry.
Yes, sir.
बनाया तो मैं action करूँगा. Okay. Now train is my data. Core is a function to give correlation. Now same number I'm converting to diagram. The diagram is called as heat map. To make a plot, I'm using SNS. What is SNS, guys? Seaborn. So from C1, I want to make heat map. Can you see the function over here? Train.core. It's a function of correlation. So the matrix which I have in numbers, I'm converting to diagram. Color diagram, color matrix. Here I have written a not value as true. Let me remove this and run this. Do we have number in the box, guys? Anyone? No. If you need a number inside a box, we use a not. So a not is used to give the number. Annotations. Clear? Can I say the number which I have, same number I have in the above matrix? 0.97 only. Guys, any question, please ask. Similar lines we have done. Guys, I have to issue the calculation also. Next part, what we have done after correlation. Model. Okay. I framed the hypothesis. Read this one. Alpha we have taken as 5%. Clear? So we are finding there is a relation. The H1 is our finding. H0 we believe there is no relation. Now on import, package name, stats model. Sub-package use all the formula from API and give the name as SMF. In SMF, I want to use function of OLS. Guys, if you remember, we have written the formula for beta naught. Beta naught का एक formula लिखा है हमने. That formula come from the topic called OLS. OLS full form is ordinary least square. वो जो formulas है ना, वो formulas का एक नाम है. That name is OLS. नहीं, वो अलग है. हाँ, काइसो के अंदर भी यूज किया है. 1 by 2 by 9 में यूज किया है. The SMF use OLS. Your OLS means use beta naught and beta 1 formulas. Salary depends on year of experience. Take data from train. Fit means the formula of OLS will be applied on data. The meaning of fit means apply. Clear? Ordinary least square. I'm assigning in model on screen. Then I check the summary. Guys, total how many rows we have? 30 rows. 70% of 30 rows is how much? Repeating my question. 70% of 30 row. Anyone? What is the dependent variable name? Salary. Model OLS. Observation 21. And never lie to your boss that you have run the model because give you date and time. Never say, sir, done yesterday. Okay. Then he will say, open the file of yesterday only. Okay. So make sure it give date and also give you time. Next, what is R square, guys? How much percent over here? 94%. Good or bad? Good. What is the range of R square? Guys, I'm just making you cross check with theory, all the numbers. Okay. Now we have intercept. Intercept means beta naught. Coefficient means the value. What is the intercept value? 25.2. What is the beta 1 value? 97. Can you look at the P value of year of experience? P. column name, year of experience. They interact this point. Can I say this p-value is less than alpha? If p-value is less than alpha, what we do, guys? Kiran, what we do? Anisha, Ragini?
Reject H0.
Perfect. We reject S0. Okay. So here I say we reject S0. So we conclude there is a relation between salary and year of experience. Accuracy of the model is 95%. So model is not fit. Same way I make you write the theory, guys. Till you're clear. After that, we have to write the equation. So you have to look at the coefficient column, okay, and tell me the value. Right, this is called as equation. Plus E. I will teach you E. Okay, don't worry. What is the beta naught value? 25.2029 plus beta 1 value into x1. This is called as equation. Tell you clear. Can we predict now? How we predict? अभी तो सिखाया ना, क्या चेक करोगे? मैंने क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा? Can we predict? Yes. We just have to separate the value of x. That is the answer. So first lesson, okay, Vallabh. So this is the equation, guys, which we found. Till you're clear. So next we have certain assumption. Guys, open the book. Open your theory book and tell me how many assumptions you have written? 4. Which are 4? Linearity, homoscedasticity, normality, model error. Guys, you just have to compare the diagram. Okay, point number 1. I just make a scatter plot of salary and experience. Can we say they are linear? Linear means upward now. So we have upward trend. I make you draw linear diagram if you remember. Second, we have to do something known as constant variance. To make constant, what we required? Constant variance के लिए क्या चाहिए होता है? See the book. मतलब book खोल के देखो. उनको book दे दो एक दिन. अब आगे बैठ जाओ उनके साथ. To make the plot, we require residual and fitted value. Guys on screen. What is this one, guys? This means model. Beta naught, beta 1 into. Let's do prediction for first row. What is the first value? 5.3. How much we predict, guys? What is the actual salary is earning? 83. And how much he should earn? Can I say he's getting more salary? Second person, what is the salary, guys? What is the experience? 7.9. How much he is earning currently in the company? What we predicted? Small difference. Third employee. How much is the experience? 4. How much he is earning? And how much he should earn? Can I say underpaid? He is working but not getting a value as per his experience. Till you're clear? Now, guys, whenever you run the model, what model do? At the back end, it also gives you the prediction. Its prediction is called as fitted value. So from the model, give me fitted value. Fitted value is nothing but prediction. So in the train, I'm making a new column called as fitted. ये clear हो गया? What is the meaning of error, guys? How we calculate error? Actual minus prediction. Either you call error or we call residual. So from the model, give me receipt also. Now if you see, what is the actual value, guys, for the first customer? First experience is how much? How much is earning? 83. How much he should earn? Number get match. Anisha, Kiran.
Yes, sir.
Second person, how much experience he has? Second person from the data. Kiran, can you say me?
Second person is 7.9.
And how much is earning?
Earning is 1,03,300.
How much he should earn as per the model?
1,02,000.
That is called fitted value. Now clear how we get this number?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now residual formula is 83 minus 76. Will give you residual. 101 minus 102 will give you another residual. Clear? Now, if I have to make a second assumption plot, what we required in constant variance? Look your theory. Residual, or do we have these two columns now, guys? Can we make a scatter plot? Do we have U shape? So assumption pass or fail? Pass. Agar U shape hai, to assumption fail. So it's a random pattern. So we say assumption pass. Clear, guys? Kiran, Anisha.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next we go for normality. I want to make a QQ plot. To make normality, what we required, guys? See the axis. Residual, fitted value, and QQ now. Q means quartile. Quartile. So use quartile plot. Take data from residual. Fit a line from me through. I need a fitted line. Fitted line means, guys, this value. वो ये value को draw करेगा. That value is called as this red color line. Line has to be straight format. Can I say, look in the diagram, can I say all data points are lying on diagram, on the line? So compare with your image, assumption pass or fail. Anisha, Kiran, Ragini, can we say assumption pass for this? Okay. Now fourth assumption, what we have? Model error should follow normal shape. Look at this. Look like normal shape. Can I say all the assumption is met for us, guys? Any question? The way we have done on theory, the way we have solved, same way I've done in Python for you. Clear? Now my question for you guys, if you remember, okay, we have done entire thing on train data. Do we have touched test data, guys? So can I say we have made a model on test data, on train data with the accuracy of 95%? We say a model will able to predict 95% accurate. ये तो create किया. If you create anything, we need to check also. So we apply model on test. To apply and again apply and checking the performance. If say train data में 95 है, तो test में कितना होना चाहिए? 95 होना चाहिए. If it is match, can I say my model is working same? Clear? So I apply model. Guys, what is the meaning of model? Model means equation, the beta naught beta 1 value. I take X test, Y test, and combine and make something known as test file. Can we predict for this manually one by one row? Beta naught, beta 1. Kiran, what is the first value? Over here, the first row. Ragini.
3.7, sir.
3.7. Okay. How much is earning, guys?
57,000.
How much he should earn?
61.
Same way, we can try for another customers also. His actual is 116. Model say how much he should earn? 117. So using model, can we call this is guys manual prediction? Every time we read one customer, we predict. Second customer, we predict. Here we have 7 rows, easy to do. Tomorrow you have 70,000 rows. Can you do manually one by one? Become difficult. Sometimes you do spelling mistake also. So what we do, there is an inbuilt function from model. Use a function called predict. Predict for test data. In the test data, make a column called predicted. See, it's true for all the rows. Instead of doing a manual, it's true for all the rows. You can compare, guys, the answer remains same. Either do manual or either use predict function. Answer will remain same. Manual means one row at a time. Predict means all data at a time. Can we compute error, guys? Actual minus, salary minus, predicted. Okay. So we have done prediction for test data. Now the role comes for checking. How is the performance? How to check? So guys, this R square we make from train data. On train data we apply model. So whenever you make a model, only that time you can compute R square. When you have to check the performance, there is another method called as RMSE. I think we done in stats. Not, I'll give you description. E stand for error. Let me teach you one by one. Guys, found difficult, stop me, okay? Clear. What is the first row error, guys? 61 minus 57. So I do salary minus predicted. Are we getting error now? Clear. Can I do square of each and every number? Possible. So that column name is called error को क्या किया हमने square किया. Clear. Kiran, Ragini, Anisha. First I compute.
Yes, sir.
Then I have done square. Can you compute mean of this column? What is the mean? This become mean. Can I take square root of 30? So what is the concept name? RMSE. What is the value? 5.5. Guys, I teach you manually. पहले हमने क्या compute किया? Error को. फिर क्या किया error के बाद? Square. After that we have computed mean. Then we have taken their square root. So full form become root, mean, square, error. This is manual. Don't want to go for manual, use the inbuilt function. Value will match for you. See, I want to compute mean square error for data called salary and predicted. It is a name for test. I get answer is model MSE. Then I take square root. What is the value? So your test RMSE is 5.5. Same formula I have written for train. I just changed to train. What is RMSE? So how much error I have? 5.81. Here I have 5.5. Can I say they are less than 10? Threshold made by the scientist. If RMSE is less than 10, then we say model is good. So can I say for train is less than 10? Can I say the model is good? Then we check for test. Test is also less than 10. Can we say the model performance on test data is good? Clear? Any question can ask, guys, from my side? Concept done. RMSE always has to be less than 10. It's a universal benchmark. Nobody can change that. Any question? So guys, structure flow. Let's do a small revision. पहले हमने क्या किया? हमने y find किया. Then we check both has to be number x and y. Clear? I'll give you time to write. Step number 3. What we have done? 9. Then missing check here. Guys, in this case study, I have not take outlier missing values. Next case study, I will take outlier. Another next case study, I will take missing also. I'll keep on adding one by one. Here, I just added data partition. What data partition do, guys? It split train or test. ये हो गया. Next, we start working only on. इस पे हमने क्या compute किया? Then we compute model. Here we compute in model beta not beta 1 value. We check R square value. We check P value. Correct? Everything is fine. Then we go for all assumption is correct. Then only we work on test data. If any of the step is wrong in the train, you cannot go for test. In test data, what we have done, guys? Just predicted now. Nothing else. Then if you need to compare, when you want to compare train and test, so we have used RMSE and RMSE. Clear? This is the structure flow, guys, which we have followed. This is universal structure. I will give you time to write, don't worry. Go through the point, any point do we miss? Let's come under ED. So point number 3 is called EDA, explanatory data analysis. Guys, clear? Anisha, Ragini, Kiran.
Yes, sir.
That is an experiment. Guys, 70-30 I have done on train and test. Okay. A hint for you, you can write as a note for you. When we have a small data, we can do 70-30. Listen first. I make you right now. Right. When you have large data means you have data in lakhs, crores. Over there, you can do rule of 80-20. Small data, 70-30. Large data, 80-20. These are suggestions given by the scientist. Suggestion means depends upon you. Then when there is a rule, you have to follow. It's not a rule, it's a suggestion. Okay, 70-30 or 80-20 depends upon you. Many people in reference book or research paper, they follow for large data 80-20, for small data 70-30. Clear? Any question can ask from my side. Concept is done for the day. It's a part of model. The person who created, for example, let's say you are a creator of mobile phone. You write certain rule. अगर मेरा कोई phone बनाओगे, production करोगे, you have to check camera, screen, speaker. Why to check? It's assumption. Please do not write this. I'll give you a proper structure. Don't worry. Okay, I have written for you. There are plenty of points. अभी हमने journey start की है. See. Okay. There are many points. I'll make you write tomorrow. Don't worry. Any doubts, anything you can ask. Online students, my speed is okay, or should I go more slow?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes, Anisha.
ये हम लोग stats में कर रहे हैं ना sir, practice के लिए.
Here you will get plenty of data. Don't worry.
That is just for practicing, or वो भी included है, like.
I'll give you like this way. I'll give an overview. Okay. For every concept, let's say linear regression is first concept. I will solve 2 or 3 case study, minimum 2. Okay. 1, 3 case study, for example, which you have to solve and come up with the doubts. And 1 is your assessment case study. How many we are solving for 1 concept? Assessment you will do in the classroom in front of me. This will also be done in the classroom. How many do we are doing in classroom? 3 for classroom, 3 for practice. 6 case studies more than enough. Every time you just have to follow same pattern guys. You cannot change the pattern also. एक बार repeat करो, 6 बार repeat करो, याद हो जाएगा. People by heart the location when they travel 2 times also. So you are traveling 3 times on same algorithms. Data will change, code will remain same. Code nobody can change. I cannot also change. Code is written by the programmer. We can change interpretation, the way of understanding. You can write in your language, I can write in my language. But the meaning should be same. We can say today you are happy, or we can say today you are not looking sad. The meaning is same. The way of writing is different. Everything you have to write. Abhi first case study hai, I'll teach you second. I'll give you a data set. You have to solve. You have to solve in Python and submit the file to me. You solve 3 times. Then I will release assessment for you. Then you have to solve in front of me. You can take previous code as a reference. I agree. As a reference, you're allowed. Because nobody can by heart this code. Main thing is understanding when to use which one. And what is the steps. Any question, Anisha, now? Clear for you?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Thank you. Guys, done for the day. We can stop now. Today I'm leaving you by 3. Tomorrow you have to come by 11. I'm repeating. It depends upon your capability. I can take up to 4 and 5 also. But I will first keep for 3 hours. If I found the topic is okay, easy, we'll increase. If not, we'll stop it. Don't worry. Arisha, Kiran, Ragini, make sure you mark in your calendar tomorrow at 11 o'clock.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Yes, sir. I will be in a classroom, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Kiran.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, everyone. Bye.